Today, our state is burning for women issue. Crime is increasing day by day. We are shocked and surprised by statement by Honorable Chief Minister yesterday, where he stated specifically what has happened. कौन हेची कि आमे हाउस कमिटी गठन करिवो आमे कहिबा को चाहूछु माननीय मुख्यमंत्री we want to tell you please see the newspaper, please go to the ground level. People have elected you as a common man to sit in the seat to understand the issues, the plight of common man. But your high-handedness, your arrogance is on the peak, and these women will give you the right lesson, because in Subhadra Yojana you have already not given due justice to women by denying their rights of 50,000 rupees, have only given 27 rupees per day, and now you have suspended the MLAs who have come forward to speak about the women, against the atrocities of women. You think you can silence our voice, but you can't silence the voice of the people, of the women who are on the street, who have come from every block, every panchayat, every district of Odisha to Gherau the Vidhan Sabha today, to give you a lesson today that when people have voted you, when people have brought you there, it is your responsibility to understand the atrocities, to take care of women, to ensure women's safety, and women are given the respect and empowerment. We have raised voice in the assembly. You see the reply of Honorable Chief Minister. It is so shocking, surprising. Honorable Chief Minister has replied that the rape cases has increased by 8% in the last 9 months. The atrocities have gone up. There are unresolved cases. Yet he wants to save his face. He wants to protect himself. That is why he suspended MLAs. He did not agree to form a house committee. His arrogance is at the peak. And the public here is here to give him a befitting reply. Public will fight for it, and we will ensure that we are fighting for the women, for the voices which are unheard, and the government will be bound to take action. I am suspended. I am extremely disheartened by this step by the government, one-sided approach by the government, where they did not listen to the voice of the opposition, to the voice of the oppressed women who are not able to come out of their house, to the homes where the rape has happened, where children are murdered, where young children have got pregnant. They have turned a blind eye and a deaf ear to the problems of women, and it's extremely disheartening that despite protesting in such a cordial way, in a respectful way, they decided to push all the opposition outside so that they can pass all their bills, they can put in fake views in the house and do whatever they want. They want to run the government in an undemocratic way, autocratic way.